Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into Montego Bay, Jamaica. Montego Bay is probably the most popular tourist destination in Jamaica. We are on the Northern Coastal Highway and we are in the Rose Hall area. So on the right you're going to see that's the Wyndham Rose Hall. And from this area all the way into Montego Bay, you're going to see a lot of hotels. Outside of Ocho Rios, Montego Bay has the most hotels in Jamaica. Actually, they might actually have more hotels than Ocho Rios. But this is the major tourist destination, Montego Bay. And it also has a airport. The Sangster International Airport is located in Montego Bay. So on the left is a golf course. I can't remember the name. I think that's Cinnamon Hill Golf Course. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, so on the left now, where you see that tall, I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up. So you're going to, almost every building on the right is going to be a hotel now. On the left is the golf course still, but if you turn left at this stoplight, you will go to the Rose Hall Great House, and that's where you have the story of the White Witch of Rose Hall. The Great House is up there. On the right is Rose Hall Shopping Plaza, or Rose Hall Main Street. On the left is the Montego Bay Convention Center, and this is the largest convention center in Jamaica. And the road we're on is the Northern Coastal Highway, but it's going to be renovated soon. Okay, straight ahead is another hotel. Almost every structure on the right is going to be a hotel. Okay, on the right, that structure is a Jewel Grand. That's a hotel. And over here now is I'll soon tell you the name of it. On the left is another golf course. Okay, this one is the Hyatt Zilara. And these are some massive hotels. Huge. Hundreds of rooms. Some of them even thousands. So, okay, on the left, that is the Half Moon Golf Club, or golf course. And we're coming up to Half Moon up at the light. That's Half Moon on the right. Half Moon Hotel. And then there's the Half Moon Plaza, or on the right. I'm sure if it's called a Half Moon Plaza, but it's shops associated with the Half Moon Hotel. a huge golf course. It's still the same golf course on the left. I mean, it's good to have a golf course, yes, but if you were to build hotels on that golf course property, wow. Okay, on the left is another entrance to the Half Moon Hotel. Okay, on the right now is a private hospital, Hosipen, and it serves mostly tourists that are on vacation and get ill. It's a private hospital. Okay, on the right now is a Holiday Inn Hotel. On the right is a Holiday Village Shopping Center. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.